In one of the hottest places on Earth, massive stones move by themselves. No people, no animals, no machinery, just rocks, sliding across the desert. This happens at Racetrack Playa, inside Death Valley National Park. Some of these stones weigh hundreds of kilograms, yet they leave long trails behind them. Straight lines, sharp turns. Sometimes multiple rocks move in perfect parallel paths. For decades, no one ever actually witnessed the motion. The mystery became famous around the world. People called them moving stones, sailing stones, even haunted rocks. But the real answer turned out to be even more fascinating. Scientists finally captured the movement using time-lapse cameras and GPS trackers. The rocks do not move every day. Sometimes they stay still for years. Then, on rare winter mornings, a thin layer of water covers the playa. Overnight, it freezes into extremely thin window pane ice. As the sun rises, the ice begins to crack into floating sheets. Then light winds push those ice sheets across the wet mud. The ice slowly nudges the rocks forward at only a few meters per minute. So slowly that casual observers would almost never notice it. This rare combination of shallow water, thin ice, and gentle wind creates one of the world's most mysterious natural phenomena. What once looked supernatural was actually a perfect storm of nature.